2018 Lexus IS 300 review. Sharp style and attractive value increase the risk for 2018 Lexus IS 300, a brilliant pick for any small luxury sedan. Seeing a 2018 Lexus IS 300 while resting, you might have its aggressive style, the pinched grille, prominent rear intakes and sweeping body lines on the back, since the sign of an uncompromising performance car. But don't let its looks fool you. The IS 300 is foremost a cruise and comfort machine, having a well-honed ride, hushed cabin and generous feature set. For 2018, the IS 300 lineup gains a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with rear-wheel drive. This isn't entirely a brand new development, however. Lexus has simply renamed last year's rear-wheel drive IS 200 tons to be a 300. The rear-wheel drive IS 300 uses an 8-speed transmission. As you move, the all-drive wheel model retains the graceful, if outdated, V6 engine and 6-speed automatic. The V6 thumps out 260 horsepower this season, even though this still pales in comparison on the IS European 6-cylinder rivals. The IS 300's overall handling capabilities also do not deliver the robust driving excitement of some other sport luxury sedans. But overall we feel you'll just like the IS 300. The interior is unique in both design and quality. The normal features included about the base level trim are generous by any measure, plus the convenience and safety tech is top-notch. What's new? For 2018, the Lexus IS 300 gains a 4-cylinder and rear-wheel drive version to use lineup. In actuality, though, this is simply last year's IS 200 tons renamed. The all-wheel drive version retains a V6 engine, plus it gets a 5-horsepower boost to 260 horsepower. A few revisions to standard and optional features round out the alterations to this season's IS 300. The IS 300 now gives a punchy turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. It's the one where take. The turbofer makes less horsepower compared to the V6, however its additional torque creates better acceleration from the line. It also gets better fuel usage. To that we'd add the comfort package due to the, well, additional comfort and security measures. We'd skip the navigation package given it comes together with the thrust remote touch interface. Unfortunately for music fans, that package could be the only way to obtain the Mark Levinson premium speakers. Trim levels and features. The 2018 Lexus IS 300 is usually a 5-passenger small luxury sedan that's lots below the harder powerful IS 350. The IS 300 is available that has a 4-cylinder engine and rear-wheel drive, or maybe a V6 engine with all-wheel drive. There are no actual trim levels, only standalone options and trim packages, even though F-Sport package adds exterior elements and hardware that increase the IS 300's performance. The IS 300 rear-wheel drive model starts that has a turbocharged 2.0-litre 4-cylinder engine, 241 horsepower, 258 pound-feet of torque, along with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Standard features include 17-inch wheels, LED headlights, a sunroof, heated side mirrors, keyless entry and ignition, dual-zone automatic climate control, power-adjustable front seats, premium vinyl upholstery, 6040 split folding rear seat backs, Bluetooth, a 7-inch color display, along with a 10-speaker audio system with dual USB ports with an auxiliary audio input. Standard tech and security measures include a rear-view camera, automatic high beams, lane departure warning and intervention, adaptive cruise control, and also a forward collision warning system with pedestrian detection and automatic braking. The IS 300 all-wheel drive model substitutes a 3.5-litre V6 engine, 260 horsepower, 236 lb-ft of torque, along with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Heated front seats will come with standard. The IS 300 provides a few options packages. Included in this the comfort package, which adds automatic wipers, an electric adjustable tire, driver seat memory settings, and blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert. A premium package incorporates heated and ventilated front seats. The navigation package replaces the conventional infotainment control dial with Lexus remote touch mouse-type controller and adds a navigation system having a larger 10.3-inch display. A 15-speaker Mark Levinson speakers is also available, but only when bundled together with the navigation system. For people who want to dial up the sporting factor, the F-Sport package adds a full mesh front grille, a revised front bumper, twin projector LED headlights, staggered width 18-inch wheels with either summer or all-season tires, a sport-tuned suspension, upgraded brake pads, an intake sound generator that amplifies engine noise during acceleration, heated and ventilated front sport seats and also a special sport-oriented gauge cluster. Other standalone options include 18-inch wheels, adaptive headlights, an electricity rear sunshade, and back and front parking sensors. Trim tested. Each vehicle typically can be purchased in multiple versions, although trim levels share many aspects. The S within this review depend on our full test on a 2016 Lexus IS 200 tons F-Sport Turbo 2.0 litres inline-4, 8-speed automatic, RWD. Note that the IS 200 tons has since been renamed the IS 300. The 2018 Lexus IS 300 V6 model produces better power and possesses all-wheel drive, but our findings remain applicable. Light with the IS 300 will be the 2.0-litre turbocharged engine, that is better versus the V6. Handling dynamics are at this car's strongest suit, if you can still have a good time whipping this luxury compact around a bend or two. Acceleration. This is less quick because the class equivalents, though the turbo 4-cylinder makes good power and sounds more refined than BMW's 2.0-litre engine. The 060 mph sprint is achieved in 6.8 seconds. Braking. Brake pedal travel is surprisingly short and stiff to get a Lexus and lacks feeling of stopping power. In our emergency panic braking test, the IS stopped from 60 mph in 117 feet, which can be longer than average for any car on summer tires. Steering. The steering feels natural and direct after you turn the wheel but lacks road feel, and that is important should your front tires ever lose grip. The IS 300 ceases to provide confidence with this area, and that is critical for spirited driving. Handling. Even using the stickier optional 18-inch summer tires, the IS 300's grip and balance around turns don't really impress. Quick directional changes tend to be more to its liking than long, sustained corners. Drivability. Power is a bit more than sufficient, even so the 8-speed automatic transmission's shifting senses languid from time to time. It takes about an additional to select the proper gear in the event you mat the gas for any big downshift, that is too slow in case you're looking for out with the way. Comfort. Excellent ride comfort as well as the serene quietness on the IS 300's cabin will be the big standouts within this area. We are also happy with all the seats, though relaxing in the saddle to get a few hours might take a small toll with your lower back on account of some mismatched lumbar ergonomics. Seat comfort. There's adequate lateral seat support, and also the optional ventilation and heating are very effective. The amount of lumbar support is adjustable, even so the position is fixed and sits way too high to provide long-distance comfort for the average-sized driver. Ride comfort. The IS delivers solid body control with smooth compliance at all the appropriate times. Bumps and impacts are absorbed without issue, yet there is no hint of your marshmallowy ride or overly soft suspension tuning. Very good. Noise and vibration. Great attention went into your cabin's soundproofing. Road and wind noise is sufficiently silenced, so you don't hear much with the engine. Quiet cabins will be more comfortable, which enables it to promote calmer reactions in emergencies. Climate control. Lexus managed to make climate controls user-friendly while adding cool touch sliders that adjust the temperature flawlessly. The system had no problems maintaining an appropriate cabin temperature, plus the optional heated and ventilated seats are stellar. Interior. The IS struggles with obtaining a balance between innovation and complication. The infotainment system interface lacks user-friendly qualities, and basic cup holder ergonomics feel like afterthoughts. This is usually a cabin with mediocre usability. Ease people. Lexus haptic joystick interface with the infotainment method is cumbersome to make use of, and it also snags smartphone charger cords effortlessly. The touch sliders for your climate control, which look cool and are very effective, will be the best cabin features. Getting in, jetting out. Even while using ease entry retracting leader, it isn't difficult to graze a knee contrary to the column while climbing into the driver's seat. The rear door openings are for the smaller side and may prove hard for less flexible passengers. Roominess. Cabin space is just not abundant. For an average-sized driver, the guts tunnel console seems needlessly wide, along with the armrests can seem to be intrusive. The rear bench offers less legroom than you can find in some competitors, along with the center seat has marginal headroom. Visibility. Forward visibility is excellent. Rear headrests don't impede the seam directly rearward, even so the huge rear pillars and also a high body slope create blind spots when reversing. The optional parking sensors and rear view camera are recommended. Quality. Other versus the steering wheel leather seams and feels as though wrinkled skin through the thumb holes. This interior is finished well, with tight panel fit and solid door seals. The seats have quality stitching, and all sorts of contact surfaces are soft. Utility. The smallish trunk 10.8 cubic feet doesn't fold flat. The unevenness limits what you could carry using the seats down. Small item storage at the start is limited for the armrest bin, the threshold pockets plus the glove box.